Yes, Miss Hika. Can you see the presentation? Okay. So let's see here. Let's see here. As we have to start working with fractions, right? See. Wait a minute. It's working. Yeah, it's working with fractions, right? So let's see here. As you can see, here it's written working with fractions, right? The fraction you know about it now? Yeah, very good. We can say that fraction is a part of a whole. Okay? Is it clear? And here the second word is written working, right? It's mean in the sense of mathematics we can say that we will do some operations based on fraction, right? So you can easily understand here by the chapter name that what we have to do here, right? Is it clear? What we have to do? We have to we will learn some, yeah, some calculations or operations based on fraction. Okay, is it clear? Okay now. So let's see here some learning outcomes are given what we will be able to learn. Okay, after this, after reading this chapter. So here it's called recall the meaning of the fractions and related concepts. Okay, so at first we will recall some meaning of fraction and related concepts. Okay, after this we will learn multiply a fraction by a whole number, a fraction or a mixed fraction, and vice versa. Okay, after that we will learn explain the order of numbers in multiplication does not change the product. Okay, when we will change the order of the order of the fraction in multiplication, then every time the product will be same. Okay, is it clear? After that we will learn find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Okay, after that we will be able to learn divide a fraction by a whole number, a fraction or a mixed fraction, and vice versa. Okay, after that, solve word problems involving multiplication and division of fractions. And in the last, we will learn understand relationships involving fractions. Is it clear? Or any doubt? No. Hmm. Just wait a minute. Okay. Okay, dear. Let's see here. So first, we will recall the meaning of fraction. Okay. Yes. What? Ha, yeah. It is a part of a whole, right? Okay. Suppose we have a rectangular box, okay, and we will divide it in some equal parts. Let's see here, 3, then 2, 3, 2, 3. Here it will be like this, okay. Yes, see here. So as you can see, this rectangular part has how many parts? How many parts? Five parts. Okay, one, two, three, four, and this five. Okay. when I will set this part only, okay, and we will compare it with the whole part, then what we can say that the one part has been shaded among five parts, right? We can say that it na. So in the fraction we can write it as 1 out of 5, right? Or 1 by 5. It will be read as 1 by 5, okay? It's mean here 5 is the whole part, 5 is the whole part and 1 is the shaded part. It is shaded part, okay? Is it clear? So, when we will discuss about the form of a fraction. What will be the form of a fraction? What is the general form of a fraction? There are many fractions, na? 1 by 2. No, no, no. I'm asking about the general form of the fraction. How we will represent the fraction in a general form? Okay. Yeah, you said that the top part is known as numerator and the below part is known as denominator. Okay, but here I am saying ki how we will represent the fraction, how we will represent it, or how we will write it in a general form, the form which we use anywhere. Okay, because 1 by 5 is the fractional part which represents a specific thing. Okay, you know about the consonants and variables, sorry, constant and variables, not consonants, it's in English, constant and variables. Constants, we can say that in mathematics the thing which has a fixed value, constant means fixed, right? So a thing which has a fixed value, that is known as constant, okay? As an example, all numbers 1 2 3 4 5, anything, any number, all are constant, right? Because they all have a specific value, they have a fixed value, right? As I am saying ki I have one pen, it's mean for me it is one, for you it is one, and for all others it is one, right? But a thing which has not a fixed value, it will vary person to person, situation to situation, that thing will be known as variable, okay? So generally general form of anything, uh, we represent it in the or with the help of variables, okay? Because when we will write 1 by 5 the fraction, it will represent a specific part, na, right? Or a specific value. Then 2 by 5, 2 by 6, 1 by 2, 5 by 7, all fractions represent a specific part, right? Or a specific value. Then when we have to represent a fraction, or when we have to write a form of the fraction in a general form, then how we will write it? So we will write it with the help of the variables, okay? So in variables, generally in mathematics, in variables we use English alphabet letter, okay? As an example, x, y, z. In word problems we use na let x, let be x. So the x is variable, right? Because we don't know the value of that x. It can be 2, it can be 3, situation to situation, right? So that will be the variable. So here the fraction can be represented in the form of the variable, that will be general form. Can I continue? Okay. So here it is represented by P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0, right? Or this one can be represented as, the other forms are X by Y, where Y should not be equal to 0. Okay? Yeah, yeah, sure. So here it is the form of a fraction, okay? Or you can say that general form of a fraction. P by Q, where Q should not be 0. Or we can write X by Y, where Y should not be 0, right? Or what we can write? We can write A by B, right? Where B should not be equal to 0, okay? Is it clear? So these are, you can use anything, as here it is variable na, so we can replace use anyone, a, b, x, y, z, anything. Okay, generally we use this one, p by q. Okay, you can also, in some books you will see x by y. Okay, is it clear? So they are not different, they are same. Okay, I write all this because when you will use any another book, or when you will learn from any another source or the book, then at that time you will not confuse. Okay, otherwise you may confuse. So that's why I explained here कि it can be represented in any way, p by q, x by y, a by b, except the constants. Okay, accepts constant means any non-zero number, because when we will write the any non-zero number means which are not zero, which has a value 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So when we will write any number like 1 by 5, 2 by 6, then it will represent a specific value or a specific part. So in general form, we don't write the specific part. We write a general. The meaning is na, as you can understand by the word only. General form. Okay. Is it clear? Now the question is here. Can you please tell me these things we learnt when uh, we learnt in 4th 5th class. Okay. So just we are doing the revision of the basic things. Okay. And your concept will be built also, right? So you have to not write now. Okay, I will give the separate time. First understand here. As an example, what we can say that fractions, examples of fraction, right? 1 by 5, 8 by 7. Okay, tell me any fraction. 2 by 5. Okay, 2 whole 3 by 5. Yeah, that is also fraction, and that is a mixed fraction, right? So we will learn when we will learn it when we will learn the mixed fraction. Okay, here we can write the proper or improper. We can write that one also. 2 whole, what you said, 3 by 5 na. So this one we can write 5 2 is a 10, 10, 10 and 3 13 by 5, right? Is it clear? Etc. All these are fractions. Are fractions, right? Is it clear? Now can you please define why the here the bottom part should not be 0? Why? What is the reason behind it? Why it should not be 0? We cannot divide 0, or we cannot divide by 0? By 0, it will be by 0. Okay, see here, in p by q, yq should not be equal to 0. Okay, understand here. Suppose let an example 2 by 0. Okay, as an example 2 by 0, it's mean here we are dividing 2 by 0, right? We are dividing 2 by 0, or we can say that suppose we have 2 chocolates and we have to divide it or distribute it in 0 people. Can we divide it? No, na, we can't divide it. Okay, is it clear? Similarly, then another example is here we have to divide 2 by 0. Okay, it's mean we have to check whether 2 is or any smaller number less than 2 is a multiple of 0 or not, right? Then only we can divide it na, right? So when you will write the multiple of 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 in 2 times 0, 0 in 3 times 0, 0 into 4 0, means 0 multiply by any number. Every time we will get the 0 only, right? We can't get any another number. It's mean we can't divide it, right? So here we will write not define. What we will write? Can't define or not define. Okay? Is it clear? Not define. Is it clear now? So here what we can say that 2 by 0 will be ND. ND means not defined or can't define. So that's why in a fraction the bottom part should not be equal to 0. Is it clear? Now let's see here in p by q, or let any fraction, okay, or any fraction like 2 by 3, okay. So here take it be p by q or 2 by 3, whatever you want. The 2 is, the 2 is, yeah, very good, numerator, and the 3 is denominator, okay, numerator, which is whole part, right, whole part. Or the numerator is mainly, it will be shaded or unshaded part, okay, about which we are talking, okay, the part which about which we are discussing. So that will be the numerator, and the whole part will be denominator. Is it clear? Any doubt? So this is the basic concept of fraction, okay. Is it clear, Nadia? Now first note down all these points, okay, these one also. And so that I hope ki, from the next time if anyone will ask from you ki why the denominator should not be 0, you can explain it, right? You can explain now. Yeah, very good, dear. So please note down it, this one, the first page, and then the second page, okay. When you will be done for the first page, then tell me, I will scroll it, okay. Yeah. Yeah, now note down this one. Okay, so is there any doubt till here? Now let's see here. See, simplest form of a fraction, okay? Simplest form of a fraction. So what do you know about the simplest form of a fraction? Yeah, or we can say that, na? Yeah, please continue. Yeah, lowest form, right? It cannot be divided further, right? Or we can say that ki when the numerator and the denominator do not have same common factor except one, okay? So that will be known as the simplest form of a fraction, right? What we can say that a fraction is in its simplest form, okay? Simplest, yeah, when the hmm, numerator and denominator do not have same common factor, right? Common factor except one, okay. So as an example we can say that 2 by 5, okay, is in its simplest form, okay, simplest form. Is it clear? Or we can say that it is in its lowest form, okay. So whatever the word it will be used, simplest or the lowest, you have to not be confused, okay. Both are same, simplest form or the lowest form. Is it clear now, or any doubt? So please note down this one. After this, we will recall the types of fraction. Okay. I think you have already learned these things in your previous class, right?
Sir, we have only learned till exercise 8.1.
8.1. Okay, okay. No problem, dear. So we will recall just the types of fraction, and after that we will move towards the exercise 8.1. Okay. Yeah. Done now?
Sir, I'm done 8.1.
Huh. Okay. So let's see here. Now types of fraction. Okay. Types of fraction. First one, see, it's like fraction. Okay, like fractions.
So,
So what do you know about the like fraction?
sir, like fractions are the fractions with like the denominators are higher than
Hmm. No, 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 dear.
no, sir, like fractions, a group of fractions with same denominator.
Same denominator, yes. So by the name you can easily understand it. Okay, don't worry, no problem. It's the word like. Okay, it's not Facebook like. Okay, or the Instagram like. Yeah, it's like. The another one is same. The another meaning is same, right? So same. By this word you can easily understand here, or you can easily remember it. The like means same. Those which are same. Okay.
So your video is stuck.
Hello.
Yes, sir, now I can hear
Yeah.
you.
Okay. So as I say, like, just relate it with same. है ना? Is it clear? So by this word you have to remember it. The fractions whose denominators are same. Okay. So I am just writing the definition in short, not in the whole or the in the full words. Okay, I'm just writing it in short. If you want to write, you can write it in your fair copy. Okay, when you will make the proper notes. So what we say, whose denominator
I see.
nators are same. Okay, or when you will define, you can define it a group of fraction or a set of fraction in which the denominators are same. That's all. Okay, now let's see some examples. Can you please give some examples by yourself?
So 1 by 2,
1
5
by
by
2.
2, 12
What?
by 2,
After
5
1
by
by 5 by 2.
12 by 2.
12 by 2. Very good. 12 by 2 are like fractions. Okay. Is it clear? Now the second one. Second is here. Yes. Unlike fraction. Right? So it's too simple. Unlike means opposite of like, which are not like.
They don't have same
Yes,
denominator.
very good. What we can say? Whose,
Denominators are different.
yeah, denominators are different, or we can say are not same. Okay, are not same. So those set of fraction or those group of fraction are known as unlike fraction. As an example, what we can say?
1 by 2,
1
3
by
by 8,
3 by
8,
8. Very good.
7 by 12,
Okay. Yes, are
9 by
unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions. Is it clear, dear?
yes, sir.
Similarly, the third is uh, proper fraction. Okay.
Improper.
Yes, proper fraction. So what are proper fractions?
Proper fractions are the fractions in which the numerator is lower than the denominator.
Yes, but we can say that a set of fraction or any fraction है ना, it's not depend on the set or group. Okay, we can say that any fraction whose numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, whose numerator is smaller
Denominator.
than denominator. Okay, some examples.
Uh, 2 by 8.
Very good.
Uh, 7 by 12.
7 by
Yeah.
12. Okay, etc.
Yeah.
Right. Here one more point, you have to note down this point below this line. Okay, after example. Okay na. Here whenever you will divide or find the value of fraction, its value is always less than 1. Okay, is it clear? The value or its value is always less than 1. So do you want to any explanation for this point? No? You can easily divide, just divide 2 by 8. 2 by 8. We can't divide it in one times. So we will give the point, the decimal, right? And when we will give the decimal, 0 will come. So it's become 20. Now we can divide it in 2 times, right? So it will become 16. 20 minus 16, 4. Again we will give the 0 instead of point, but no need to give the again point. So it will be 20 40, then 8 5s are 40, so its value will be 0.25, right? Do you want the explanation?
Yes.
Okay, okay, let's see here. See, you have to not note down this one in your copy. Okay, this is just for rough explaining this. As an example, 2.8 2 by 8. So here when we will divide the 2 by 8, it will be like this na, or like this. Which one is correct, first one or second one?
So first one.
First one, very good. This is the wrong, right? So here we can't divide it na, we can't divide it. Can we divide it?
Yes.
No. Then what we will do, we will give decimal. Okay, is it clear? So here it will be 0, or understand like this. If, we can't divide it by 1, right? In 1 times. So we will divide it in 0 times. We will divide it in 0 times. 8 zeros are 0. What we will get? 2. Now we can't divide it now. So we will give the decimal or the point. Okay. Here we will get 0 instead of this point. Do you know about this division na?
Sir, decimal division we don't know, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Then no problem, dear. Just try to
No, but
understand here. Okay.
because converting into decimal, they make us do like 8. We convert we 8 into a number with like 100, 10, 100 or 1000
Huh.
like that. We can
Like
do
that
it.
also we can do. We here we can multiply by 10. Okay, or whatever you are saying. Yeah, that is also the correct method. Okay. So don't worry, when we will explain or when we will learn the decimal one. Okay, division with decimal. In that concept, I will explain in briefly. Okay, but just here try to understand it. So instead of point,
No,
for
I get
0
it, sir.
we will give point, right? Now in how many times? 8 2 ja 16, right? Okay, so here it will be 4,
Uh,
right? Then uh, again we will take 0, and no need to give again for decimal. Okay, with the same decimal we can take the 0. Okay, so now in how many times?
uh,
5. 8 5s are 40, that's all. So here we can say that 2 by 8 will be equal to 0.25. It is less than 1, right? Similarly, when you will do for the second one, 7 by 12, here again you will get the less value than 1, right? Okay, Is it clear now? So it will be around 0.5 like this. 12 5 is 60, na? So 0.5 like this. Okay. Is it clear? So that's why the value of proper fraction always less than 1. Okay. It will be always less than 1. Is it clear now? Then first please note down it and then we will continue with the another types. Okay. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now let's see here. The fourth one, na? It's improper fraction.
Sir, improper fraction, the denominator is smaller than the numerator.
Yes, very good, dear. है ना? It is just opposite of proper, right? So we can say that whose
Numerator is
numerator,
bigger than
yes, is greater
the denominator.
denominator. Okay, is it clear? As an example,
Uh, 8 by 1,
8 by 1. Okay,
5 by 2,
5 by 2. Very good. One more.
7 by 3.
R. What type of fraction? Proper fraction. Okay. So when you will find the value of these fractions, the value of an improper fraction is, is always greater than 1. Okay, is it clear? So here we can say that its value is always
Greater.
greater than 1. Do you want the explanation for it? Just divide it. है ना? 5 divided by 2. So when you will divide the 5 by 2, okay, see here, like this is for rough. No need to note down it. Okay, so 5 divided by 2, in how many times we will divide it first?
Uh, 2.
2. Very good. 4, 1, then we will give the decimal 0, then in 5 times 2 5 is 10, so its value will become 2.5, right? 2.5, yeah, which is greater than 1, right? Is it clear now? Any doubt?
No, sir.
After this, we have to learn the next type, which
Mixed
is,
fraction.
yeah, what fraction?
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Very good. Mixed fractions. So, what are mixed fraction?
The fractions which have a whole part and then the fractional
Proper,
part.
fractional part, है ना? Okay. One will be there is a whole part and a fractional part, and that fraction will be a proper fraction. Okay. Understand here. See, it said that a fraction which contain a whole number and
And a
a
proper fraction.
proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction. Is it clear? It's called mixed fraction. As an example,
2 1 by 8,
2 whole 1 by 8. Okay, it will be read as 2 whole 1 by 8. Okay, then
5 whole 6 by 17.
6 by 17. Very good, etc. Right? So let's see here. This 2 is the whole part. Okay, whole part or whole number, and this 1 by 8 is fractional part. Which part?
Fraction.
Fractional part. And what type of fraction? So it is
Proper fraction.
proper fraction. Okay, proper fraction. Is it clear now? Similarly, in this one, 5 whole 6 by 17. Which one is the whole part?
5.
5. And which one is the fractional part?
6 by 17.
6 by 17. So it will be what type of fraction?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Okay, is it clear? So now note down it and then we will continue with the next one. Okay, so let's see here. Now there is a concept of equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. So do you know about the equivalent fraction?
Yeah, sir.
What is the equivalent fraction?
Sir, equivalent fractions, like there are a set of fractions, they have the same value,
Good.
but the numbers are different.
Yes, good. Very good, dear. So we can say that a fractions are a set of fractions whose value are same, but the numerator and denominator are different, right? So how we can get the equivalent fraction?
Sir, we can multiply it by the same number or divide it by the same number.
Yeah,
Like
very good.
2 by 5, we multiply it by 2 by 2 and we get 4 by 10. So it is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5.
Yeah, good, dear. So here we can say that to get an equivalent fraction, we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, is it clear? You can write it now. You can write the definition for it by yourself,
Yes,
or
sir.
you want it.
Sir, I'll write it down.
It's too simple. Just write कि a fraction to get equivalent fraction we have to multiply or divide. Both thing you have to write. Okay, multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of the given number by the same number. Okay, as an example, let it be 2 by 3. Okay, so to get the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3, here we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay, so suppose we are multiplying it by 2, so here we will get 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, so what we can say that 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hence 2 by 3 and 4 by 6 are equivalent fraction. Okay, fraction. Is it clear? Like this you can find many equivalent fraction for 2 by 3. Okay, is it clear? So whenever you will find the equivalent fraction, you have to do step by step same like this. Okay, is it clear now, or any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now let's see here. There is a concept of addition. Okay, addition. Here it's we need to revise the addition of unlike fraction. What type of fraction?
Unlike fraction.
Unlike fraction. So let's see here how we will do it. Suppose the question is given 2 by 3 plus uh, 5 by 4. Okay, so let's see here how we will do it. Whenever you will do it, suppose this is your margin. Okay, margin of your copy. Okay, in the same way you have to do it. Okay, all the arrow mark, whenever you will start, please start with the arrow mark. Okay, which represent ki solution. Here the solution is starting. Okay, or you can write a and s also. Okay, so you have to keep all the arrow mark and everything to the left side of the margin, and the main thing which you will write it will be on the right side of the margin. Okay, so here first we will write 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Okay, whenever we will change the steps, every time we will give arrow. Okay, so here we will write at first what we will do, LCM, right, of 3 and 4. Okay. Why? To make it like fraction. Yes. And when we will make it the like fraction, uh, or we can say that instead of saying like fraction, it will be better. Like fraction. Yes, yes. So to make it like fraction, we have to find the equivalent fraction of these, right? So that's why here we will find the LCM. So we will write it, okay? 3 and 4. In rough, you can find the LCM, okay? So what will be the LCM? You know now how to find the LCM?
Yes.
What it will be?
12.
12. Very good. Then here we will write, so one by one we will do for each. 3 by 2 by 3 equal to, here we are finding the equivalent fraction. That's all. In denominator, we have to make 12. In how many times we have to multiply it by?
3
How
4.
many?
4.
4. So in numerator also by
4.
4. 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Okay. And then you have to write here and 5 by 4. Now make it. Yes, tell me.
3 by 3.
3. Okay. So 15 by 12. Okay. Then here you will write it. Now this na 2 by 3 and 5 by 4. This was, it was, and it will written as 8 by 12 plus 15 by 12, right?
Yes.
Is it clear? Now let's see here how we will do it. I am doing here. Okay.
Okay.
Here I will write the last step again. Okay, but you have to write this one only one time. This the last one. Okay. So it is 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4, right? Here we got it 8 by 12 plus 15 by 12, right? This was na, you have to write this line only one time. Okay, the left part we will continue as it is. Okay, just we have to solve in the right part. The denominators are same, it's become in like fraction. So we will take the one like fraction, we will get LCM, then we will get same 12. Okay, then 12 in 1 times 12. So here 8 we have to multiply by 1. You know all these things na. So 8 and here plus 15. Okay. Then what we will write? 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4 equal to 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15.
5 by 26.
23 by 12. Okay. As here we got the answer, right? So here we will use the therefore sign. Do you know about this now? Therefore sign. And we will keep it inside the box. Okay. Because it is our answer. Okay. And here we will write answer. So like this you have to solve each and every question of this type. Okay. Similarly you have to do the subtraction one. For subtraction you can do now, or you want the explanation?
The same process we do, but
Yeah.
we do 8 minus
Instead
15.
of adding we will do minus. Okay. Instead of give the plus sign we will just write the minus sign. Okay. Is it
Sure.
clear? Or any doubt? So first we will write ki at first we will find the LCM of A and A. Okay. Then we will write the find the equivalent fractions. Okay. For subtraction also, and then we will write in this form. Then we will solve one by one like this. Okay. Is it clear? Or any doubt?
No.
Tell me, dear. So you have to note down first this one. Okay. I think you have to note down from here, na? Yeah. So first note down this one, then this, and then this one. Yeah, please note down it. And when you will done, then please tell me, I will scroll it. Yes, now note down this one. Yes, now note down this one, okay? And if there is any doubt, then please tell me. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now, at first, you have to note down, or after the class, when you do the homework, you have to note down all the points which we learned. all the points, examples, everything, definition, everything. You have to note down it in your fair copy. And after that, you have to do the exercise 8.1. Okay. In the heading, you will give a exercise 8.1, and one by one you have to do each and every question. There are only 4 questions, right? So you have to write the questions and then do it step by step. Okay. I think you
Sir,
can do it now.
there are 8 questions, sir.
Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Oh,
No,
you
sir.
count the sub questions also. Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah. If you will check like that, then it will be it. Okay. So no problem. The main are only 4 questions. Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay. In one there are two, and in two there are four. Okay. So no problem. I think you can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
In two
Sir,
B.
in two, can I do two of them only?
What?
Or should I do all four in second me?
Second B. Second B, right?
Sir, in second main, should I do all four or should I only do
Yeah, you
one?
have to do all four. Yeah,
Okay.
because it will be like a your fair copy, na? Like a notes. So that when you will do the revision in future, you will get the solution of each and every question, right? And you can easily do the revision. Okay, with the less time. So here, as you can see, 2b, here there is a mixed fraction, right? 4 whole 4 by 5. So first you have to change it in a proper fraction. Sorry, improper fraction, na? Improper. So you have to show it. You have to write it. Ki here first we have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then you have to write 4 whole 4 by 5 equal to, and then you have to write everything. Okay, like this here. See, you have to write at first we will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. This sentence you have to write, and then you have to write it 4 whole 4 by 5 na. So you have to show it like this 5, then here 4 into 5 plus 4, and then you have to do it. Okay, so 4 5s are 20 plus 4, step by step, everything you have to do step by step. Okay, 20 plus 4 by 5, it will be 24 by 5. Okay, then you have to write ki now what will be the fractions. 24 by 5 plus 16 by 11. Okay, you have to write the fraction. Then you will write ki now LCM of
LCM
5
of
and 11, and you will continue with the same steps. Okay, which we have done here. Okay, is it clear? Similarly, in the third question and fourth, these are the word problem question, right?
sir.
Word problem question, na? Third and fourth.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, the same questions they make us do in classwork in school. So can I
Uh,
do other questions like with other numbers?
okay.
Because I've already done all those questions once.
Then I have an idea. First you have to try these questions, okay? In your fair copy, but because you need a note copy, na? So that you can do the revision in future, okay? So for that person, please solve all these questions, and in the next class I will give 2 or 3 questions before starting the next topic, so that it will be like a practice for you and the revision also. Is it clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for today I will keep till here. After this we will continue in the next class. Okay, is there any doubt? And as it's 8 p.m. now, right? Do you have any class after this?
No, sir, I
No.
don't.
And when you will go to bed?
Sir, 10:30.
10:30. Okay, no problem. So now you have to submit the homework by 9:30. Okay, is it okay now? Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes.
So please try to submit the homework in group within the time. Okay. So for today, that's all. Thank you. Take care.